In this example, the teacher is using video to connect with students and challenge their thinking. The teacher's uploaded a video clip into Verso. Now that could be uploaded from their device or linked via a channel such as YouTube or Vimeo. And he's given the students explicit instructions as to how he'd like them to respond and then how he'd like them to comment on each other's responses in order to give feedback and feed forward. He's also allowing students to ask questions or seek clarification using the audio function. To ensure the students are successful, he's provided a model response in the form of a writing frame for how the students respond, but also some conversation starters they might want to use when they're commenting on their peers' work. The teachers also provided contextual Tier 3 and Tier 2 vocabulary to support the students in meeting the demands of the task. And that's really important because when students respond, clicking the View Vocabulary box gives the teacher visibility on the language that's being used consistently by the class, but for individual students, at a glance, he can see the extent to which they're applying that language in their answers. Now, if we click on the student response, because the audio function was activated, students can ask questions of the teachers, seek clarification, and the teacher in this case has responded in text, and he's clarified the student's question with another audio file, maintaining that really important connection between home and school. To make this activity and allow for that to happen, simply click on the edit function, and then if you scroll down you'll see where you upload the video or you link to your YouTube channel or Vimeo. The instructions are provided, sentence frames and models go here, contextual vocabulary and academic vocabulary in each of these boxes, and then for the advanced function of having students respond using audio, he's checked this box here, allowing the students to make recordings directly from the app.